Hello, my name is Russ, and I am a stutterer. I've stuttered for my entire life, and I would like to share some of the techniques that I have learned that help me more control my stutter. The, the techniques that I'm going to show you do not cure stuttering, but they can sure help you in the process. And I think that that is the most important point, is that you're going to be able to learn some tips or techniques or postures that's going to um, give you the confidence to use them in situations where you most need it. Okay, so the first thing I like to start off with um, is I've been working on my body. Okay, the main thing with the stuttering is that I always feel like something is pulling down from from my abdomen and from my chest. My lower back is always in pain, even though I stretch the backside a lot, but and I can never really get rid of that tightness. And even if I could get rid of that tightness, it would always come back. And when it came back, I wasn't able to manage it or deal with it, and would overtake me and control me. So I've been in my pelvis is anterior tilted, and I learned that probably like a month and a half ago, and I learned that that's probably one of the reasons why my lower back is always in a great deal of pain. So in my pelvis is anterior tilted, so it's tilted forward. Okay, so the rest of my body has to shift to account for that, and that's also the reason why I think that I'm round shouldered. Okay, so with the round shouldered and the anterior tilt, it's what I've learned is it's going to mess up the uh, the space that is within your abdomen where your diaphragm lays. So your lungs are up here and your diaphragm is up below it. And if your body is shifted in the wrong way, your diaphragm doesn't have enough space to go up and down because it's shifted, so it's getting cut off. Okay, so what I believe is the reason is that it's getting cut off because of the tightness. And there's another muscle that I just saw. It's called the psoas. It's spelled PSOAS. And when I saw that muscle for the very first time on a video that I watched, I immediately knew that that was the culprit. That was one of the main, that had to have been one of the main culprits. That is like what you just saw right there. It pulls me down. It's tight. I can't breathe. I often feel like I'm gasping for air. And yeah, it activates the flight or fight response. So I did some research into the psoas, and it's a tough one. It's hidden, for one. You can't directly release it, and but when I saw it for the first time, I immediately or instinctively knew that that had to have been the culprit that has eluded me for many years. I had no idea what was the cause of that force. So I think that that's it for now for this video. In the next video, I'm going to go more in depth with the techniques and stuff that I've learned. So for the most part, I'm just glad that I'm going to get this video out, and I hope that this is going to help out many others who are in the same situation as me, or even worse, or even better. But I hope that the tips and techniques that I can come up and share with you will help move this thing along better than it's been going. There's no new evidence or updates or cures. It's been the same thing for the past like 25 or 30 years. So hopefully I can come up with some techniques to overcome this and help out. Okay, so I will talk to you all soon. Bye now.